A museum in motion is a vacation that we plan for you. So I like to tell people that it's basically like going on a cruise except for you drive your Corvette. We plan all your hotels, we plan all your tours and attractions, we do most of your meals. So from the time we meet you on the first night until you head home on the last morning, we take care of you. We make sure that you're getting everywhere you want to be, making sure that you can see some things that you normally can't see just by yourself, like private collections. We get to do some specialty tours that's not open to the general public. You get to see some things that you wouldn't normally get to see if you're on your own.
What's unique about museum in motion trips is it brings the museum to you. Not every museum in motion is held or conducted in the state of Kentucky. They're held all over the United States.
We do museum in motions in Buffalo, we go to New Orleans, we do one in Branson, we do the national parks out in Arizona and Utah, we've been to California, we've been to Rhode Island, we even go to Le Mans, to the 24 hours of Le Mans in Le Mans, France.
If you are interested in the location, it's going to be a lot of fun. The people you meet are great, you get to talk Corvettes and you get to drive your Corvette. We continue to come back because it's a great opportunity to go places that we want to see. We meet great people from all over the country, and they're well organized and they're a lot of fun.
The culture of the museum makes it fun and the people are great. The car and the trips is not what it's about the people.
Anybody can attend a museum in motion. So if you're a member, if you're a non-member, it doesn't matter. We'd love to have you. We get most of our people who are coming with friends, so they might not have ever had any interaction with the museum before. They come along with a friend and then they kind of get a taste of the Corvette community and they end up joining the museum.